Right, now we are going into how to make a prediction in a graph. We've done our graph, we've drawn our graph, we've talked about it with a TASGU. I have talked about an equation a little bit. By the way, you guys are going to be putting much more words in than what I have. And now we're going to talk about make a prediction. So I'm going to estimate the velocity of the Columbia River when it has a depth of 5 meters. I just chose 5 meters to be within the range. If I remember correctly, that word's interpolation. So because it's in between, if I wanted to go for like the velocity when it's 20 meters, or if it's I don't know, something outside the range, then it'll be extrapolation. And that one is a bit more inaccurate. This one's normally more accurate. So I'm going to guess with this. I should expect it to be somewhere about 1.1, but I'm just going to do it with our formula. So I've got my formula here. I'm going to just copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Instead of having depth as a word, I'm going to change depth to 5 because I'm estimating for 5 meters. Now I've got a little thing I can put on my calculator, so I'll whip this bad boy out. I'm going to type it in. This part's really riveting, but you guys can still listen. You've got to put the 0.11651. I'm going to forget that it's negative. And I'm going to times that puppy by 5. Whack in a plus, and we're going to plus 1.681. Yep, I don't worry about that. 0 equals, and we've got this number there, 1 point, which is pretty close to that 1.1 that I said. In fact, I'm going to round that to 1.1 because this is an estimate. I can't copy paste this. Yeah. So that's equal to 1 point. Actually, I shouldn't for this one. 0.9845. 98445. And I will write a little sentence. I estimate the velocity to be about. I'm using the word about because this is an estimate. It's not exact numbers. 1.1, I've rounded that down. I don't need all of these numbers, that's just silly. I definitely need a unit. So even though I just made up this unit because I didn't put it on my graph, and I don't remember what it said in the book. So if I weren't so lazy, I would get the book out and look it up, but I'm not going to. You don't be that lazy in your assessment. Need a unit, and yeah, it's easy as that. Well, get to it.